Hello, my friends. Today I got your back. I've been getting a lot of messages on people being overwhelmed and they have not figured out how to consistently show up and execute on the assignment. And I'm going to show you some really powerful strategies that help my clients and also help myself because I'm always a student too. So let me show you. So this is something that I learned from Abraham Hicks. It's called Swiss cheese. And what you do is when you're overwhelmed, you just take your handy dandy pen and you do this. You just go boop, 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 boop. Those are all those little overwhelming things going on. And that's called, you kind of make like a Swiss cheese. Then what they suggest is writing all the things that is like, oh my God, I got to do this. I got to do that. I got to do that. You put it on here. But that wasn't working for me because it was intertwining business with personal. So I'm going to show you something deeper. So I categorized just the business and I did my little boop, 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 boop. And this is just for today, mind you. Then I did the personal and I'm like boop, 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 boop. And that's my Swiss cheese for the personal. And when you have it all laid out in front of you, you can then execute on the thing that you feel the least resistance with because everything is going to carry your energy. Now, if you find something and you know they all got to get done today, like one of the things on mine was this live stream, but we're not live, so follow me, share this post if you find value in it. And just also time block it. So if you don't know how to time block, you can message me. I have a whole course outline on time blocking. I'm going to come back to this. So I know my business hours are from 10 today until probably 6. So I'm going to look in here, especially if you're somebody that creates their own schedule, and I'm going to be like, okay, at 2 o'clock, I'm going to start studying the podcast. We're going to get this up and running, and then I'm going to break this down into multiple different pieces from, let's say, 2 until 3 p.m., and that's it. I got this over here, Reels and Lives from 12 to 1. We're going to get as much as we can doing, but one stream is one thing on my list, and one stream is just not wanting to be a teammate with me today. So that's why I have my words of affirmation all over the place to know to keep going. Surround yourself with positivity, quotes, 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 quotes. How I want to show up enthusiastic. And then from 6 on, because I have to be able to perform, my energy is everything. I then am going to, which I already did this morning, I'm going to go to yoga. I could probably order this online. I definitely want to clean up, so I'll give that 30 minutes. Another really powerful tip if you're feeling overwhelmed or your plate is overly done and you don't really have people to, it's just you're a solopreneur, you have people kind of working on projects. That's the season I am currently in business, is you just breathe through it. You literally will give it time and intensity. I can give this 30 minutes. I can give this 20 minutes. If something like this one stream is not participating, sometimes you can't control things and you have to move on and take a note and come back to it or email support and let it go. All right, because we got a bunch of things to tackle today. So if you love this video, make sure you comment below and also share this with your friends. And if you need a course on procrastination, because procrastination is just the inability to regulate your negative thoughts and emotions, overwhelm, not feeling safe to move forward, and distractions, I have an hour workshop created for only $37. And you can get that at www.tanyacoliver.com/procrastination or a free accountability calendar to make sure that you're showing up for your task. And that is tanyacoliver.com/calendar. I'll see you guys later. If you love this video, comment below, share it with your people, save it for later, and I will share more of them. Bye.